Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook here. As you see, you will enter, and when you will see this page, you will go to click force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage, and when you will see this page, you will go to click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.